Hello everybody, welcome to my new kitchen. Of course this is only a portion of it because we still are unpacking. You have to think about it that we moved from 1,000 square feet to 2,400 square feet. And though it's bigger, there's still a lot of furniture to be moved around and there's a lot of kitchen items. So today what we're having is a very simple salad. We're going to have a melon salad along with baby spinach and fresh cherry tomatoes and an avocado, and then we're going to add, and you've seen me this before, this is Members Mark White Balsamic Vinegar, and we're going to have a couple tablespoons on top. Very simple, very cool looking salad. Looking forward for you to watch our new video in our new place.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, so what we're going to be doing, so we're going to first off, we're going to grab some spinach. This was purchased at Sam's Club. It's all pre-washed. And instead of having a regular salad, I'm using spinach. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to assemble our salad, and then I'm going to take a handful of cherry tomatoes, like this. And then we're going to cut open our avocado. Okay, so I just cut this avocado and you can see it's just perfect. We're going to save this half, we're going to put it in a bag and save it another day. And we're just going to cut this right in the skin. If you have a very, very sharp knife, don't do this. Put it on a cutting board. I'm barely touching this knife and the avocado. I can feel it underneath my skin, and sometimes it doesn't go all the way through. I use my thumb, and I'm going to go around the avocado like this and get it all out. See how it's coming out in chunks? Okay, this is a good time to lick your thumb. Okay, so what I'm doing then is I'm applying the salad dressing. I'm really basically building the salad now before I put on the melon. About 2 tablespoons, and then you'll have to mix it quickly, and the next part will be cutting the melon. Okay, so then you take your knife. I took at least larger than melon, and you cut it all the way through. And what I do is I smell it. And if it smells nice and sweet, I know it's going to be delicious, and this one is. Then I'm going to put plastic over this and put this away. Next step, flip it over and just take your knife and cut the skin right off. This is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to turn off the camera. Let me see if I can get this done. Flip it over like that. See the inside? Take yourself another spoon. Okay, so as you can see, I've got most of the melon on inside the bowl. This is half a melon, so it's almost like a dessert and a salad. You're just combining them together. Once you do that, you take the pieces, you put them inside your... Okay, make sure you don't take any of the seeds. Some people, I have heard, eat the seeds of melon. I don't. I think it all depends on how you were brought up. Okay, so this is the end of the salad. If you can see it's got the tomatoes, it's got the honeydew melon, it's got the melon, it's got the spinach, it's got salad dressing, and it has avocado. The perfect salad for the night's dinner. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.